Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first and easiest way to tell is to open up the Messages app on your Android, Samsung phone, whatever Samsung or Android phone you have. Now, let's hop into a message here. And one indication that you might be blocked is if you try to send a text message to somebody. Let's say I'm going to send hi and SMS. You can see when I send that, it says it's sent as an SMS. Now, next to it, under it, if it indicates that it has been read by the other person, of course, you are not blocked. However, if previous text messages did indicate that they were read, and now it just says SMS and it never says delivered or anything, if you tap on it, you don't see any kind of check marks, that's an indication you've been blocked. Another one is, let's say you have a group chat with somebody. You can see I created this group chat, and under these text messages, there's a little clock icon, and you can see it says it's trying to send it, but it can't actually send that text message to that person. It's just not working. It's not actually sending the group text, and you'll be able to see it just constantly spins around as sending. That is most likely because the other person or in that group text, they have blocked you or kicked you out of that group text. Let's show another example. Another example is this one. You can see in this case, it does show those two check marks at the very bottom, but it says you're no longer a member of this group, and it doesn't give me the ability to send a chat even though I'm in this group chat. Essentially, I've been blocked out of this group chat. These are all indications that you've been blocked by that number on your Android phone. However, another indication is we can open up the phone app here. And let's say in this case, I'm going to try to dial Trevor iPhone. And if I hit call, and it immediately goes to voicemail, or it says call ended, or there's some kind of issue with you calling that person, whereas previously you could call them and it would ring, it would send it to voicemail, or they would pick up. That is yet another indication that you have been blocked by that other person. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.